Welcome back. The feast of Our Lady of Hope was celebrated at Chinchanim on Sunday. Several masses were held in the morning and large number of devotees attended the services. The theme for the feast was, Like Mary, let us live in faith and through family values renew the society. "41st National Women's Challengers Chess Championship 2014 will see the final round on Monday, as Vijayalakshmi scores 8.5 points against Nisha Mahota. Both are leading in the tournament. Meanwhile, Nimi George is on second position with a score of 7.5 points with Swati Ghate. There are 9 players at third position with a score of 7 points. Ivana Furtado of Goa played a solid game with Padmini Raut of Odisha. Bhakti Kulkarni had to settle for a draw with Varshini V of Tamil Nadu.
The 41st National Women's Challengers Chess Championship 2014 is being held at Mapusa. Monday is the final round of Chess Championship. I am Nisha Mahota of PSPB catches I am Subbaraman Vijayalakshmi of Air India at the end of 10th round. I am Vijayalakshmi Subbaraman has a score of 8.5 points at 41st National Women Challengers Chess Championship 2014. Meanwhile, Nimi George is on second position with the score of 7.5 points along with WGM Swati Ghate of LIC, Lakshmi Pranita of Andhra Pradesh, Neha Singh of Bihar and Hinduja Reddy of Andhra Pradesh. There are 9 players at the third position with a score of 7 points. WGM Padmini Raut of Orissa, WGM Aarti Ramaswamy of Air India, WGM Bhakti Kulkarni of Goa, WIM Ivana Furtado of Goa, Pratyusha Bodda of AP, Smarki Mohanty of West Bengal, WFM Mahalakshmi M of Tamil Nadu, Varshini V of Tamil Nadu and Lasya G of AP. Among other Goan players, WFM Riya Sawan drew with WGM Kiran Manisha Mohanty of LIC. Aditi Prabhugaonkar defeated Tamara Selvi of Tamil Nadu. They are on 6.5 points. Nandini Seripalli and Gauri Hadkonkar are on 6 points. Finals will be held on Monday for the Chess Championship. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa's Nightingale Lorna enthralled the crowd with sensational yesteryear songs at Margao. The music provided by Norman Cardozo and his musicians brought memories of Goa's maestro Chris Perry. Here are some of the glimpses of the live concert.
Yo,
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.